I just deleted the thing again. I am I am dumb at this point. Guess who's back? Vlogging again. Yes, Mariah's back, and even though I don't have a friend, like, I need to shout out some of you guys because y'all got me so excited to vlog. So I posted my previous vlog yesterday and I got 3 comments basically telling me that you're excited for more vlogs. You'll have me hyped and I can't wait to do more vlogs. So today is what I would call a content prep day. I'm usually prepping in advance so that I could shoot content and not have to worry about anything, right? So most times it involves me doing my hair if I need to. Obviously that will depend on the kind of content that I'm going to create, but most of it is planning the content that I need to create, especially like if I have sponsorships coming up or I'm trying to like batch create content and look for inspiration, or if I need to pitch to a brand, you know, like anything like that. That's what I'll do on content prep days. And when I say it takes an entire day, it takes an entire day because just washing my hair alone is its own ordeal. And yeah, sometimes I need a day, sometimes I need a week. Hopefully I just need a day today. Sometimes I need to do my nails, sometimes I need to shave my legs. Every content prep day is different, but it's always about me getting prepared to shoot content. Hence, content prep day. The funniest part about all of this is that the last time I was creating content and I was like, I'm doing this so that I wouldn't be creating content on the same day that I want to post. Can you believe that I haven't, like after those 3 pictures that I took, I haven't been able to create any content? The house is a mess. Like, we're redoing the closet, the upstairs beauty room. Yo, the place is in shambles. Let me show you what we're dealing with. And which is why I don't know what's gonna happen when it comes to me creating content. I need to figure it out because there's nowhere right now for me to do what I need to do. You see behind me? Mess. But it doesn't get messier than this. So it's actually a lot cleaner right now because we put a lot of this stuff in my mom's room, but we took down the closets. Well, they ripped it out, the ones that was there before. So this is on one part of our stairs, and as you come up you'd see other parts of the closet. To this side, it's just like, this is in front of a mirror so that my mom could do her makeup, but like, and then this is the beauty room that we're redoing, but for the most part this room is empty. So I don't know if y'all could see it on the walls, but we basically drew out what the closet is supposed to look like. Yeah, so like right now this room is literally kind of empty. It has some things in it still, but before everything was out of this room. And the things that are in my mom's room, like I'm not gonna take you into my mother's room, obviously, privacy reasons, but like the entire upstairs part here was just filled with things. It was impossible. Oh, I should show y'all what my room is looking like because y'all remember I was cleaning my room to the last vlog? Yeah, I don't want to say it was in vain, but like there are things all, yeah, So yeah, I basically do not know where I am going to be creating content, and I have not posted in a while on my platforms because, you know, I cannot operate in the chaos. I mean, I can, but especially like in my room, it has been very difficult because where I would usually create content, there are a lot of clothes. So I plan on moving those clothes probably to the next side of my room. I'm already tired and it's only 3:42.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. It's Josh. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego.
The last time y'all saw me, I was eating tacos. And I was saying that I'm gonna create content, but nothing happened.
It happened 1, 2, 3 times too
It is
much.
what it is.
Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am, she a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings.
Okay, so this is the beauty room. I am using this little space here today to create some content. So what we're gonna do, we need some height. So like right now it doesn't have anything really in here, which is great for me. Why is this uneven? Okay, so yeah, this is the beauty room. Everything, I guess I could show y'all, obviously better lighting, but the cupboards are on a pause right now, which is why I'm in here trying to use this area. This is the area that I'm gonna try to transform and create some content in right now.
We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't evolving, it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section.
Okay, so this is the little setup right now. I have a ring light, my phone on a tripod, a little table in front. This is actually supposed to be like a side table, but I use it to sit on my plants. And yeah, I am going to sit right here and do my hair. But having a table to put my stuff on just comes in handy for me. So almost every time I am doing something, I have my little Alexa somewhere close by to play some music for me. She keeps me, wow, why it's so hot in this room, but yeah, she keeps me entertained. That light makes a lot of noise, so when y'all start to hear the noise, sorry in advance. But yeah, okay, so okay, what is going on? You're so noisy. Okay, great. So When it comes to sponsorship, sometimes the brand sends you a brief that outlines exactly what it is they want from you. At this time, I'm working with Pinterest. They are launching a new hair tool on the Pinterest app that allows you to search for like hairstyle inspiration. Oh, why is my nose scratching? Yeah. Search for hairstyle. Oh, why is my nose scratching? Yeah, search for hairstyle inspiration, and you're able to. I guess I could try showing you now. You're able to choose based on your hair pattern. So like cute hairstyles, and something just popped up saying a new way to
Playing from Mariah's iPad.
A new way to search for hairstyle ideas. So like you can literally search by hair pattern. So like I would choose curly, and I don't know what's going on, why my internet taking so long to load, but I have to create content basically letting people know about the hair pattern tool. Ciao! We have our little setup here. Let me turn you all around so y'all could see. Ring light on phone there. Guys, I need to do this. I was supposed to upload it yesterday and it just wasn't working out. So I should look kind of cute. If I do say so myself. Guys, Pinterest just came out as a new hair pattern tool and I need to show y'all how cool it is. Guys, Pinterest just came out as a new hair pattern tool and I need to show y'all how cool it is. I'm about to film a TikTok. Y'all, I literally went and got stuff to do my hair because I need to try this right now. Like this.
Just type in keywords related to your desired hairstyle into the search engine and then pick your hair pattern.
Yo, I literally went and got stuff to do my hair because I need to try this right now. Okay, so my problem is that I'm trying to stitch a TikTok video. When you stitch a video, like you cannot edit it that much. You can't even like edit the clips after, so I have to get it perfect before I can move on, and it's annoying. Take too much. Okay, you are
and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm in the venue with
Yo, I'm not having really successful content creation days, as you can tell. This doesn't happen very often. Actually, that's a lie. It happens pretty often, but it doesn't last this long. Yeah, at 2:45, I'm literally now about to do the hairstyle. I do get frustrated with myself though, because it's like sometimes I wish it was just very easy for me to get things done, but it's not. Y'all would not believe what I just did. I hate editing on TikTok. Oh my god, I just deleted the entire thing. What the hell? So I have to go and refilm. It's not perfect, but I deleted the last one and I regretted that.
Just type in
So
keywords
this one is
related to your
gonna
desired
work.
hairstyle into the search
She's
engine
gonna
and then
work.
pick your hair pattern.
Yo, I literally went to get my hair cut off because I I just deleted the thing again. I am I am dumb at this point. Bro. There's nobody else to blame but me. What the hell? I realized what my mistake was. Hopefully we don't let this happen again. Oh my god. Y'all, we're making progress. I'm doing my hair. I don't think I chose the best hairstyle because my hair is just not cooperating right now.
I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking.
Look, we almost there. I am filming the end of my Instagram. Y'all, I honestly didn't think I would have done all of this tonight, but I'm done. Now I just have to go and edit it. When does it end? Ugh. Okay, so yeah, I'm gathering my things and I'm going downstairs and editing this, sending it over to the brand and hoping for the best because no reshoots. Honestly, I just don't want to have to go through this pain again.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just judge. Spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Voice of the content.